In Chi Nei Tsang, we believe that the body has two brains. Now, of course, you know the big joke. I say to the gentleman, where's that second brain? No, 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 no. It's not in your pants. Although I'm sure that guides you on occasion. We believe in Chi Nei Tsang that the body has two brains. One of them's in your head, and the other one is the entire digestive system. And we say this because in your large intestine, you have neurotransmitters, just like in your brain. True. So that your intestines react to what you see, feel, hear, taste, or think with this brain. That's what a gut reaction is. You are reacting to your environment. Your large intestine will make melatonin at night, if it's empty. Just like your brain. The brain is what makes melatonin. Melatonin is the stuff that makes you sleepy. Okay? Now, if you have neurotransmitters, you have a reaction, and you're making, hormones and chemicals in this digestive system, just like this brain. We can say that you have two brains. If one of your brains is full of poop, and that fecal matter is sitting and rotting and making noxious poison gases, you can't think clearly. There's no way. When I realized that the system was affecting everything, I realized I needed to clean out. I need to make melatonin at night as much as I can. I live in a city. I need to not be stressed out. Okay? I can go on, but I think what I'd like to do now is skip over a lot of the doctor stuff, and let's just talk about, well, what can I do to get my intestines clean?